Want to know how to compare your video to another using TubeBuddy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy or website or the application, and it should be right here. And on the top right side, you should be seeing launch extension. Just simply select that. And now once you expect the launch extension, here you should be seeing your YouTube studio coming up. And now just simply hit watch content and open up any video that you like. So I'm just going to open this video right here on YouTube. So it should open up something like this. So now once it opens up, as you can see right here, our summary and your analytics should be given right here from TubeBuddy. And now since we want to compare our video, on the right side you should be seeing this comparison, which is off by default. Just simply select that. And here you should be seeing, you can just simply compare. So you can simply compare with the channel's most popular video or a specific video. Now you can just simply select a run comparison and just simply select auto compare if you want to. And now once you have selected that, as you can see right here, it should compare it with a specific video or the video of your choice. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.